Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Tesla Model Y. First, unlock your car using your phone key or the key card. Once inside, adjust your seat and mirrors using the intuitive touchscreen controls to ensure a comfortable driving position. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the large central touchscreen. It's your command center for nearly all vehicle functions, from climate to navigation. Getting comfortable with these basics makes your first drive much smoother. Driving your Model Y is incredibly straightforward. To begin, simply push the stalk on the right side of the steering wheel down to engage drive. Accelerate smoothly with the pedal, and remember that regenerative braking will slow the car significantly when you lift your foot, often reducing the need for the brake pedal. The left stalk controls your turn signals and activates the windshield wipers, keeping your focus on the road ahead.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. While your Model Y is super smart, it can't freshen the air itself. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling great. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. You can find the link for Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Charging your Tesla Model Y is simple and flexible. For daily use, most owners charge at home using a wall connector or the mobile connector, providing a full battery overnight. For longer journeys, Tesla's extensive supercharger network offers rapid charging, getting you back on the road quickly. You can easily monitor your charging status, schedule charging times, and even precondition your battery directly through the convenient Tesla app on your phone. Personalizing your Model Y experience is easy with driver profiles. Set up individual profiles to save your preferred seat, mirror, and steering wheel positions, along with climate settings. You can control all climate functions, including seat heaters, directly from the touchscreen. For highway driving, engage autopilot. It assists by maintaining your set speed and keeping the car centered in its lane, making long trips more relaxing and enjoyable for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.